Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Tomasz, and in today's video we're going to talk about arrays as one of the best tables alternative in Excel VBA. So, maybe let's start with what are those arrays? I will not provide you a standard definition which you can easily Google, but I will share with you how I understand what is array. So what is it? For me, it is a virtual table which is holding the values of the cells, not all properties like standard Excel cell. For example, color, font color, cell color, etc. That's why arrays are faster than standard Excel tables. And in today's video, I want to show you that it's true. I want to also prove that, and that's why I prepared for you two modules in VBA, one for Excel table and one for array table. I also prepared for you a table for the comparison where we will compare the results for the Excel table model here in column C and for array table in column B. So maybe let's start with the code for the Excel table. As you can see, it is a simple loop which is filling the next cells in column A with the numbers, just numbers. So simple code, simple loop just for the test. And let's start with the 100. Okay, we can see that this is the value. Let's paste that into the table. Okay. Go with 1000. Okay. Good. Now let's add another 0 for X. Play. Okay, now it's almost a second. Okay. Let's see for the next number. It's 100,000. Okay, it took a little bit longer. Okay, we need some places here. Okay. And the last one, which will be 1,000,000 rows. Okay. Let's see. And here we go. It took a while, 1.5 minutes, but here we go with the result. So you can see that it was much longer than the previous result, but that were all the results for the table code. And now let's go to the array table. Let's start with the, let's erase that, and let's start with the 100. And maybe by the way, all the numbers are here in sheet 1, so yeah, it's working, that code is working. Okay, let's start with 100, and as you can see, it's almost the same code, but it is creating an array here, then iterating through the next, let's call it cells of that virtual table, and then pasting all the values. Maybe to prove that, I will erase all the numbers from here. Okay, and go with the code. Okay, 100. Okay, it is like that, and you can see it's filling the cells, so the code is working. Okay. Okay. 1000. Okay, you can see it is less than the first result, so maybe repeat that for 100. Okay, because there was something probably in my computer. Okay, as you can see, the result is 0 for 100 rows. Even that, I have here 3 decimal places. So yeah, the first result was some kind of mistake. Yeah, I saw that some processes were on in task scheduler, but now I closed that and repeated the test. And here you can see it's a 0, so 0 for the 100 rows. Now 1000, let's go. It's also 0, having that 3 decimal places. Fascinating. Maybe it's not working, that code. Let's see. Let's write it 0. Let's see. Oh, sorry. Let's see how it will go with 10,000 rows. Okay, play. Okay, we can see the result. Okay. Now let's add another 0. So it's 100,000 rows. Okay. And the last one, the longest one. Okay, is it working? Yes, it's working. So don't you worry, it's not a fake. Yeah. And the last one, yeah, for 1,000,000 rows. Let's see how it will go. Wow, I won't have to speed up the video, so wow, it's only that. Okay, let's add some decimal places. Yeah, so that's it. As you can see, we were doing the same thing. For the Excel table, the code was even shorter. So there was less processes to do, only filling the cells in column A. And in array code, you first of all you had to create the array, so declare the range, then fill every cell of that one-dimensional array from the beginning to the end. And in the end, the last part of this code for array table is to fill out the whole range with the values from the array. So even that, it is longer. I mean, it's more complex from that perspective of the processes. It is much faster. So if you have the possibility to use array instead of standard Excel table, use the array. It will accelerate, it will speed up all code, all your processes, all your loops, everything, really. If you don't have to operate on the cell properties, use the array because it only has the values. All the properties of the cells are not here. That's why it is much faster. So, thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. I hope you enjoy that. I also hope that that video was useful for you, that knowledge will be useful for you. You will be able to use that not only knowledge but also the code in your codes. Please leave a like, subscribe to my channel, also comment the video. I also invite you to my website, simpleexcelvba.com, where I wrote this article. Once again, thank you guys, and see you in the next video.